Hey, hon, turn around and look at me. Is that little red light on right there? Okay, that means we're recording. Always have to make sure we're doing that. There's been a couple times where I think I turn on the camera and I'm sitting there shooting a video and talking away and blah, 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 this, blah, 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 that, and guess what? I forgot to turn on the camera, or it never turned on when I thought it turned on. Anyways, waiting for Jam to do her thing here. We're out taking a walk. Something we haven't done in a very long time. You know, we used to do this every single day. And now it's like this is the first time in I don't know what. How many? What do you think? 3 months at least? Since we've taken a walk, since we've just taken the dog for a walk?
No, 3 months.
And the number one reason is because Jam got sick, and we think it was because we were out walking like we are now, and she came into contact with some other dogs, which happens all the time because there's dogs everywhere. Like maybe we let her and another dog kind of like sniff each other or whatever, and then maybe she caught something from that other dog. I don't know. Anyways, make a long story short, we stopped taking her out for walks. Yeah, no, it's freaking out. Ambulance is coming up behind us. We stopped taking her for walks because, well, she wasn't feeling good and we didn't want her. We were, I guess, being helicopter parents, making sure, hovering over her, making sure nobody or no other dogs would get her sick or whatever. You know, dogs are inquisitive. They want to sniff each other and all that good jazz. But anyways, as I was saying before, we're just kind of enjoying a nice relaxing day, not really doing a whole lot of anything. We went out earlier, bought some food for donations, went and had a little snack treat at our favorite location, little Halo Halo, and then basically just been sitting around the house most of the day. Like, you know what? Let's get outside and go take the dog for a walk. Plus, I've even noticed myself that, oh, balut. Anybody want some balut? I kind of noticed myself getting kind of flabby in certain areas, and I think the lack of exercise has a hell of a lot to do with that. But anyways, once again, we're on Highway 307 over by the hospital here on the west end of Alaminos. See, I want to try to keep these dogs away from our dog. So I don't know what the hell they have, if they have anything, so. A lot of dogs around here do not get vaccinated, or do not get the required vaccines that they are supposed to have. So Hey, hey. And, you know, a lot of people don't watch after their dogs and they just run all over the place like what you're seeing here. Not digging on anyone, it's just a fact. So we gotta kind of be careful. So again, we're kind of on the west end of Alaminos City, walking further west, going over to the bypass road that kind of skirts around the west, south, and the east end of town. Yeah, it got pretty hot today. It was what, 31 today, hon?
Yeah, 31.
31 Celsius. Oh yeah, it was a steamer. But who's complaining, right? But who's complaining, right? Not me. I'll take this weather any day of the week. Coming from the cold Arctic climate like I did, I welcome this stuff. Not you.
Because you always say my body temperature.
Yeah. She has. I'm from the cold climate, Minnesota, and I absolutely love this weather. She has a more difficult time dealing with it than I do. It's so hot. It's so hot.
Because you see how
It's so hot. Oh my God, it's so hot. Here I am. Fucking yeah, bring it on. Bring it on. Yeah, you do. You sweat a lot. So not a whole lot going on around here. I don't know, as far as restrictions and lockdowns and all that good jazz, I guess we got it pretty good compared to some other areas. What do you think, hon?
we are now, because 2 weeks ago we have more than 100 cases.
Just in Pangasinan, right?
No, only here in Alaminos.
Oh, Alaminos? Now that's total from the very beginning, right?
No, just the whole thing when the what is that? The second wave here.
Really? So what you're saying is they fabricated 100 cases somehow out of thin air?
That's because you know what? You remember Palamis lockdown?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's a big freaking hole. Yep. Oh, excuse my cough. Oh, COVID.
They spread immediately.
Oh, I stubbed my toe. Uh-oh, COVID.
That's why.
Yeah.
And now we only have 20.
Yeah, got a little. Now we only have 20. So yeah, there was about about a week or two that we had to close up restaurants and.
No dine-in.
Yeah. What was that? Was that a couple weeks ago? Around mid-April? Beginning of April?
End of March and to mid-April.
End of March to mid-April, we were kind of closed up some of the restaurants, and so it kind of sucked because we go to our favorite little eatery almost daily, and we couldn't do that.
One time, they even hide us.
What's that?
They even hide us at the corner.
Yeah.
So that let us down.
Yeah. So, okay, we're on the bypass road. I got. So yeah, but you know, we're still wearing face masks pretty much everywhere we go. We're on this. When I get out on this back road here, this back bypass road, I take this fucker off. I don't wear this shit. And then we still got to wear face shields in certain, most stores, what have you. especially those Save More. But I tell you what, you go to some stores and they're just like, oh, put your face shield on, please, or your your whatever face shield, and you know, all right, whatever, we'll play the game. But boy, you go up to SM, even with we wear the shorter face shields, not the full ones that come down to your freaking chest damn near. And oh, they freaking, they won't have it. They're like, we showed up, we've been going to Save More with our regular half face shields, and no problem. Then suddenly, just out of nowhere, nope, you can't wear those in here. You got to have a full face shield if you want to come inside Save More. And I'm like, you know what? Fine. We won't come inside Save More. We're done. We'll go to frickin' CSI. We'll go to the regular markets. Basically, we'll go get our stuff anywhere else but here. Yeah, we're still out on this back road here. We took a little break, sat down, and watched motor vehicles cruise by. Just a really nice night out. Early evening. It's about 5:20 p.m. Figure we'd do this before we go home and make some dinner. Haven't been out on this bypass road in a while. A few changes here and there. A couple people building houses, new restaurant. So, you know, there's another house construction up here. I want to check that out and see how that's coming along. What's that, hon?
I wonder what they're going to do here.
Where's that?
This place,
I don't know. Just a little I mean, they just, yeah, I don't know. Why would they just level out some ground over here?
And then they have a boundary here.
Yeah, that's pretty, yeah, I don't know. It's too small to build a house. But then again, anything's possible over here. I know these folks right up here on the left, they're either adding on, were they adding on or just building a complete new house? I think they're just building a complete new house. This one coming up on the left here?
I think they built a new one.
Yeah. See if they made any progress. Two-story.
Two-story, and then the roof is like that.
Two-story unit. Yeah, that's that roof. I just don't know about that roof. There's another house back there we were looking at. Somebody building, brand new.
They have the thing already,
Yeah. Oh yeah, they got that little awning coming out over. It looks like they're probably going to build like a little garage area there. Little carport. But the roof on top of that house, I'm seeing more and more houses here in the Philippines with that kind of roof. But I just don't see myself putting that kind of roof on a house. Because I'm just looking at that and I'm thinking, you know, if a big ass gust of wind, and I'm talking like typhoon strength wind, comes through and really gets up underneath that roof, that side there on the left, boy, I can just see that thing flipping right off. No thank you. I'll just stick with a different roof design other than that. So yeah, this bypass road, these people come out here and they just haul ass. Got a couple cows down here. Who? Oh, really? Tell her we have a job for her. No, better not. No. Tire went out. Ouch. I'm glad that happened after he passed us. Yeah, he had a blowout, I think. That totally sucks. Yeah, even he says it sucks. Yeah, that blows, man. Well, I'm sure he'll be there when we turn around and go back. But it sounded like a tire to me, so yeah, he's gonna be there a while. What a drag. Yeah, a little driveway back there going in. Pretty cool. There's all kinds of people out today, huh? Freaking people we know, huh? Hey, how's it going? Everybody knows Jam Jam. Yep, that sun is rapidly descending, going down quick. So we're about ready to finish up this walk here pretty soon. Gonna go home, and I think Mama's gonna fire up some, what?
Pork sizzling.
Sizzling pork sisig, which is totally awesome. I can dig that. Yeah.
Because you wanted that for dinner.
Right, I said, hey, we're not gonna have lunch, at least I'm not. I wanna have a nice empty stomach, nice empty tummy for that stuff, because it is good. Ah, we got a little. Oh. So we're just traversing through the back way here to the house. Ow, these, I need to get some new chanelas, man. These rocks are like going right through the soles. Yeah. Oh, look at that dog just squirming through underneath. Stay over there. Yeah, somebody's living in that house over there now. Where, here? Oh yeah, they're celebrating. Big time. So yeah, this is the back neighborhood. We've been back here before many times with the video camera. But I haven't been back here, or we haven't been back here in a while though. So, see if anything has changed.
And then I saw that here, we had it here before.
Where at? Back in here? Probably the person that drives it. Yeah, wonderful evening. So, yep, quiet, not a lot going on. Where at? Back in there?
Yeah.
Over in here?
I saw it.
Huh. Okay. So, anyways, not a lot to report. Just kind of finishing up this walk here, and we're gonna go home and eat and take showers and do all that jazz. Alaminos City is still peaceful. Not a lot going on. No major breaking news. No catastrophes, no national disasters. Nothing like that. Natural disasters. None of that. So, yep, I like that. Yep. Nice neighborhood. Yeah, we were looking at property in Bunny, and I ended up buying some. A good chunk, a good sized lot. Not something we could probably do here in Alaminos City for the same price that we picked up out in Bunny. I think we did pretty good out there price-wise for what we found. We could never match that in Alaminos City. Things are a little bit more expensive here, which kind of sucks because I would have liked to have stayed in this area, but at the same time, that area out there is developing pretty quickly. So that's about 40 minutes due west, northwest of here. And it's still close enough we can come over here pretty much anytime we want. And I don't know, I think over there we're a lot closer to the nicer beaches. That's the upside, the pros, I guess. We're closer to better beaches over there. We're actually closer to the ocean here, I think, though, aren't we?
Yeah, it's more closer to the ocean.
We're closer to the ocean where we're at now, here, but the nicer beaches are over in the area that we're going. We will be going eventually one day when we end up setting up camp out there. Got to save some dineros first before we do that. But all in time. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and finish up this video. Just a short, well, probably not so short, but just a casual stroll through the area with the dog, and that's about it. Something we haven't done in a long time. So anyways, thanks a lot for coming along with us, and stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe always, and we will talk to you soon. All right.